Everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you send Cash App personalized note payment. So to add a personalized note to Cash App payment, tap on the sparkling icon. So basically what you could do is, first of all, you want to open the Cash App and enter the amount or initiate a transaction. So click on the uh, bank icon or the dollar icon, and then you could go ahead and click on transfer. After which you want to go ahead and enter the recipient details. That includes entering the name, cash tag, a phone number, or an email address. And as you could see, there is this for, and at the bottom there is this add a note. You could go ahead and type in the note that you wish to add a note as, and you just need to click on enable contact. Once done, you could then go ahead and initiate a transaction by confirming all the details that you have entered, and that is basically how you could send Cash App personalized note payment. So that is how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.